Hi and welcome back. I'm going to show you now how to make bacon puff pastries. As you can see from the table, it's got 6 ingredients and that is it. We thought we're going to have a film night tonight and we haven't got any snacks in, so I thought I'd make these. So simple. Now I'm going to show you how. As I said, not many ingredients. 1 onion, chopped. 250 grams of bacon, chopped. 100 grams of grated cheddar cheese. And lastly, 3 tablespoons of mango chutney. And all I'm going to do now is give it a stir around, get everything mixed. Just trying to make sure that the mango chutney sort of spreads over everything, because you don't want some that haven't got any chutney in. Next bit is the pastry. This is just ready prepared puff pastry from the supermarket. I always keep some in the freezer. Now you're going to watch me struggle to open the packet. Come on! See, it wasn't that easy. Get the pastry out. Over there. I'm just going to dust my work surface with a bit of flour. Put a bit on top. Oops, leave that there. I'm just going to roll it out to a rectangle of about 30 by 40 centimetres. I think anyone could make these. This is something that your children could make easily on their own. Pastry's rolled out. Next easy bit, cut in half lengthways. Divide each half into 4. And now what we do is we get our mixture and we divide this mixture between the 8 bits of pastry. I think I might get a better spoon out. Hold on, there we go. Now it's divided, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush the edges. And there. And the pastry, fold it over, press. Oops. And we'll go. And the chances are they might split in the oven, but it just makes them all the more juicy. I'm just going to slash them across the top a little bit to make them look pretty. And the last thing we need to do is give them a bit of a tan. So I'm just going to brush them with some beaten egg, and this will make them go all golden in the oven. Don't worry if they split, because I'm sure some of mine will split, or maybe all of them will split, but they will taste just as good and everybody will love them. These would be good in a lunchbox as well, or when the weather gets nicer, take them on a picnic. Let's hope the weather gets nicer. The last thing we need to do is put them in the oven. These are going in at 200 degrees for about 30 minutes until they're all puffed up and golden brown. Now let's just cut one in half and see what it tastes like. Now this is the difficult bit, because I now have to try and eat it without making a total mess. Looks lovely inside. Oh, they are really lovely. You just get a hint of the sweetness in them. Oh, sorry, in the mango chutney that goes so well with the bacon and the cheese. I think those are going to go down really well. In fact, I don't expect to find any left tomorrow morning. I do hope you'll have a go making these. I'll see you all again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you for watching. Be nice to me in these edits.
Never.
Right. My cheesy bacon puffs. What shall I call them? Like turnovers, aren't they?
I don't know.
I don't know. What should I call them? Cheesy bacon puffs. That sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheesy bacon puffs. Okay.